Today we're making a creamy garlic mushroom pasta. So we're going to start by preparing the vegetables, and for that we need one large onion, and we're simply going to top and tail it, cut it in half and finely dice it. Set that to one side, and then we're going to finely grate 3 cloves of garlic on a microplane. So peel the cloves of garlic and then just grate it, but you could also finely chop it or use a garlic crusher. And then we're going to thinly slice 250 grams of chestnut mushrooms. Next, fill a large saucepan about 2/3 of the way full with water and generously season with sea salt. Place that over a high heat and bring that to a rolling boil. And then we need to place a frying pan over a medium heat and add in roughly around 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we'll follow that up with 20 grams of butter. We'll then add in the onions with a pinch of salt and cook that for 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and soft. And then we'll throw in the mushrooms and cook them for a further 2 to 3 minutes until they're also nice and soft. And then we'll follow that up with that grated garlic. Cook that for 1 more minute before we pour in 190 ml of white wine. Turn up the heat to bring the white wine to a simmer and then reduce it by half of the amount before pouring in 300 ml of cream. Now you can use single cream, double cream, or you could even use creme fraiche as an alternative if you prefer. Add the pasta into the boiling water and cook for 1 minute less than the packet instructions. That should give you a nice al dente pasta ready to go into your sauce, because don't forget it will carry on cooking slightly in the sauce. Simmer your sauce for roughly 5 to 10 minutes until it's your desired thickness. This is entirely up to you. The thicker it will be, the richer it will be. Or if you like it more mild, then you can leave it a little bit more runny. It will still coat the pasta nicely. Now at the end, all you need to do is season it to taste with salt and pepper. And then throw in a small handful of chopped parsley. Now don't forget here to keep a little bit back just to garnish at the end. Before serving, simply take your pasta directly from the water and into the sauce. And then mix through until it's all completely coated. This recipe serves too, but the full written recipe and method will be in the description below. To serve, simply pile it up over 2 plates and then garnish with a little bit more chopped parsley and finish it with some freshly cracked black pepper if you like. So that's how I make my creamy garlic mushroom pasta. It's such a good recipe. It's so simple to make and it's very affordable too. And of course it's extremely tasty. We'll give it a little try. And it's just got all of those comforting flavours. And it's definitely going to fill you up. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.